Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations, Art, Craft and Cooking. In this video, I will show you how to make eggless chocolate filled muffins. So let's start to make. First take a saucepan and add 1 cup of milk. Let it boil. Switch on the stove. Then add 1 by 4 cup and 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use unsalted or salted butter. Now mix butter and milk. Add pinch of salt. If you are using salted butter, then there is no need to add salt. I'm using unsalted butter, so I added salt. Then mix this and let it boil. So the milk had boiled. Now switch off the flame. Now transfer it into a bowl. Don't leave the milk to get cooled down. When the milk is warm, we'll add synthetic vinegar to curdle the milk. Now add 2 teaspoons of synthetic vinegar. And mix it. Leave it for 10 minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes until the milk curdles. The milk is curdled. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Now mix this using a whisk. Add 2 cups of Maida, all-purpose flour. Save this. Now mix this. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar. The bowl was very small, so I transferred it into another one bowl. Mix this. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Again mix this. Now add 6 tablespoons of milk powder and mix this. Then again add 2 tablespoons of milk. So once it reaches the consistency, we'll add baking powder and baking soda. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 by 4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well, but don't overbeat. Now gently fold the mixture. The batter is ready. Keep the cupcake liners in the cupcake mold and then pour batter till 3 by 4th of the cupcake liner. The purpose of adding milk powder was that it makes the muffins creamy. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After preheating, keep the cupcakes in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. See how beautifully the muffins are rising up. The muffins are ready. Insert a toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then they are baked completely. If it is a bit sticky, then you can bake for 2 to 3 more minutes. See how beautifully the muffins have rised. Leave the muffins to cool down. Till then we will make chocolate ganache to fill the muffins. Let's make chocolate ganache. Take some melted chocolate. To this add 2 tablespoons milk. Now mix this. Now take the muffin and make a hole and fill the chocolate filling inside it. Then close. Repeat the same with all the muffins. The muffins are ready. See, it is spongy